to show you guys how we are going to pack all of these clothes in just 2.5 carry-ons. So I'm going to use this carry-on, and the second bag I'm using is the Cotopaxi bag, 42 liters, okay? But mainly what we're going to use, the vacuum bags. So we will try to put all this in the bag. So the main thing and the most important part, you want to do it super flat, okay? I'm going to put it all the way inside, and it's going to be super flat, okay? Super flat, as flat as I can, okay? Going to put the top inside as well. See how many of the t-shirts I can put in. So I'll do this one. So you see the main thing, that you want to have it as flat as, I'll put maybe 1 or 2 pairs of shorts just in case I want to open just one bag and keep everything else packed. So have a variety of choices here. Skirt, I'm going to close it here right now. Wait on this bag, and I'll get all the air out. Okay. Okay. Now I'm starting to roll it. Okay, I can do one more. Okay. Now I'm going to make it super flat. Okay. To show you how I'm going to pack this backpack. Okay, same thing, I'm going to put the whole thing inside this bag. This is my backpack. So I want to share with you a few more things that I'm really excited to bring with me on the trip. I'll put links to everything I got below, so if you like to purchase anything, enjoy it. So like many of you know, I like to work out, and weight is really important for me. So I have scale. You see, it's like a body scale, but it's traveling as a super small one. Okay. So I have a few workout equipment. So I have these plates. I have bands. I have a jump rope. And I have this strap for the strong muscles. So this is mainly my workout stuff. And this one will go in another carry-on.